Okay, we're leaving the cat temple now. To start, we're in Setagaya, right next to the Setagaya Castle. We're gonna go to a little known European town called Jiugaoka in Meguro City. But like any good walk through Tokyo, you need to stop for some vending machine goodies. You could get some basic tea, some grape juice, some apple juice, lemon something. What did you get? The lemon something. Oh, this guy. Okay. Wow. That's delicious. Get the CC lemon. That's so refreshing. It doesn't really taste like lemons. Maybe there's some lemon in it. It's more like peach and fruit punch, but not too fruity. A little bit of carbonation. This might be the best one I've had out of the vending machines. Normally there's trash cans inside of the convenience stores that you can take advantage of. I'm not seeing any of those in here. Can I use your garbage?
Garbage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay? I got those. It's clean. Thank you. Thank you. And you can get great chicken.